Good morning. Today we are going to see one of the major index in the US stock markets, which is SPY, the ETF version of S&P 500. So this is the live data. So currently the SPY is trading around 320.30. So we are going to look predominantly into the derivatives data from the options data, what the data signifies. So it's been 3 months of one side journey from 220 to 320 levels, almost 35 to 40% run up in one direction. So let's see what derivatives data conveys as of 16th July around 8 p.m. India time. So this is the live option times and sales data, so which happened today. So across maturities July, August and September, you can see today it's a low volume day, but there has been a couple of options being bought on the put side, around 1700 quantities each on both $13 premium and $10 premium, the 334 strike and 331 strike for July expiry, which is nothing but tomorrow's expiry. uh, it looks like this seems to be a serious bet because the premium is little bit on the higher side. It looks like it's an in the money option too, so it looks like a serious bet. On parallelly on the other side, we have seeing a lot of call option being written up. As you can see, 333 call, the premium is around 40 cents, and 333 call around 40 cents. Those are being written up. I think the calls are being shattered. So it's a very confusing and one-sided market. So this data are always to be taken with a pinch of salt to be on the safer side. As of now, today is a very low volume day. You can see nothing much on the quantity side, but options times and sales somewhat signifies that there is little bit put options uh, which is being bought, the two and in the money options. Now coming to the charts, uh, predominantly on the open interest side. So I took the next 22 series, the 22 series in the sense uh, till 20 November. I've taken all the option data across strikes. So these things are predominantly uh, out of the money options. So this will be out of the money option too. So this is out of the money option in the sense these are put strikes and these are call option strikes. All are out of the money. You can see. Now we are going to see the open interest distribution data. So it looks very interesting. I tried this today. You can see the 325 strike, which is nothing but the call option, um, as a significant open interest. Significant open interest. You can see these are the three outliers in the entire graph. If you can see here, these are all the three outliers in the entire graph. So 325 is somewhat uh, will act as a resistance, to be taken as an assumption. Not sure, but it looks like 325 is the strike where the call options have been written predominantly across these things. So now the spot is around 320, you can see here. So that's where we are seeing the dotted line here. And on the same side, on the downside, we are seeing put options being written, but uh, these are predominantly across scattered across maturity. So what we can see here is there are two outliers here for put options that is been written. So 315 is something uh, across maturities. It seems like a little bit of support. So that is the thing. So even we have seen the time sales data and we have seen the open interest distribution data. The only problem with this chart is since these are scattered across maturities, we don't know what is the magnitude. Even though we have the numbers here, the maturity wise magnitude is not pretty clear. So but one good thing is we have identified the outliers. That is 325 is the strike where predominantly it's been written. They call